Friends, did you know that a policy change in the US has quietly paved the way for Indian manufacturers to enter billion-dollar markets? Yes, the US recently released a framework plan for an interim trade agreement with India. The US has reduced tariffs on several product categories, and as a result of this decision, a supply gap has been created. Furthermore, American companies need cost-effective, reliable suppliers, and they are actively looking beyond China. Many people think that this tariff reduction will only benefit large factories and giant corporations. But this current massive opportunity is actually opening up tremendous possibilities for small manufacturers, distributors, and innovative entrepreneurs as well. So, in today's video, we are going to talk about the top 7 business sectors that are rapidly growing after the US tariff reductions. And we will also look at how you can enter the global market from India in these sectors. However, friends, please remember, these reduced tariffs create opportunity, but they do not guarantee success, and all businesses require strict compliance, quality control, and capital.
So watch the video till the end and let us know in the comment box which of these business industries is your favorite. But before that, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and like and share with your friend.
So come, let's watch. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Number 1. Textile and apparel manufacturing. The textile and apparel sector is always among the first to react after US tariff reductions, and that's exactly what's happening now. Following recent trade developments, American brands are changing their sourcing strategies and shifting towards countries like India. Because this makes it difficult for them to meet the demands of the fast fashion market, this gap creates an opportunity for Indian manufacturers, as India already possesses a strong cotton supply, skilled labor, and export experience. Therefore, choose a specific category with a small sewing section such as t-shirts, underwear, or children's clothing and focus on consistent quality. This is because American buyers prioritize delivery and size accuracy over brand name, which can increase your chances of receiving repeat orders over time. Number 2. Auto components and EV parts manufacturing. The automobile and EV industry is in a rapid growth phase in the US, and after tariff reductions, the cost of imported auto components and EV parts has decreased significantly. The news is that US-based manufacturers and EV startups are now seeking alternative suppliers for the high-speed delivery of precision-based components such as brackets, connectors, housings, and wiring parts. This presents an opportunity for Indian manufacturers who can produce precision-based components. So you can choose a specific component, learn drawing-based manufacturing, and focus on the B2B supply chain. In this sector, once supplier approval is obtained, contracts can often be stable for longer periods. Number 3. Food processing and packaged food exports. Following US tariff relief, Indian food products have become more competitive in the US market and demand is rapidly increasing. The news is that in addition to the Indian diaspora, American consumers are now also adopting ethnic, healthy, and ready-to-eat food products. So, the opportunity here is for Indian food processors who can export spices, ready-to-eat meals, millet-based foods, and organic products. The biggest advantage of this business is that if the product is shelf-stable, logistics and risks can be easier to manage compared to other sectors. So you can start and select a product with a long shelf life, test with small batches, and gradually invest in packaging and compliance. Food exports offer the greatest scope for brand building, which has the potential to create long-term profits. Number 4. Leather and footwear manufacturing. The leather and footwear sector has come back into the spotlight after the US tax cuts. According to recent trade developments, US footwear brands and retailers are diversifying their sourcing strategies. The problem is that local footwear manufacturers in the US have very high production costs. Therefore, they need suppliers who can provide cost-effective solutions while maintaining quality and compliance. This presents an opportunity for Indian leather clusters that already possess skilled artisans, established supply chains, and export experience. So you can choose a type of footwear, start with a small manufacturing or assembly unit, and focus on sample and size accuracy for US buyers. Once you secure a contract with a retailer, you can make consistent orders become much more likely. Number 5. Seafood export business. Next, the seafood export sector has witnessed a strong resurgence following the US tax cuts. Indeed, according to recent trade developments, US importers are actively exploring alternative sourcing hubs for processed seafood as domestic US seafood production is low and expensive, creating a supply gap. Therefore, they need reliable exporters who can ensure consistent quality, food safety, and timely delivery. Since India is one of the world's leading seafood producers, there is an opportunity here for Indian seafood exporters. So, you can start by choosing a specific type of seafood and focusing on processing and cold chain infrastructure, and clearly understand the compliance requirements of export buyers. Seafood export is a business with stringent regulations, but once approvals and buyer confidence are secured, this business has the potential for high volume and long-term growth. Number 6. Gems and jewelry manufacturing. A big change is taking place in the jewelry market in the United States as consumers are increasingly embracing a shift to handmade, customized, and ethically sourced jewelry. Furthermore, after the tax reduction, Indian gemstones and jewelry products have become much more competitive in the US market, and there is an opportunity here for Indian jewelry manufacturers who can offer gold, silver, and gemstone jewelry as private label or custom orders. In this scenario, you can initially choose a jewelry category such as silver jewelry or handcrafted jewelry and focus on design-oriented manufacturing. However, compliance, hallmarking, and safe logistics are important to American buyers, but once the trust is established, both profit margins and brand value can increase. Number 7. Plastic and rubber goods manufacturing. Demand for plastic and rubber products is expanding at a rapid pace in the American manufacturing and consumer goods industries, and components and materials imported have become more affordable after tariff reductions. This is an opportunity for Indian manufacturers who can take up contract manufacturing via injection molding, extrusion, or rubber processing. This business is not brand driven but specification driven, where consistency and supply are the most important. If you are just starting out, select a certain product category like rubber seals, plastic containers, or industrial components and start with B2B customers. So friends, these businesses are just a few of the many that are likely to succeed due to the American tax cuts. Furthermore, starting any of these businesses could help you become a global supplier in the future. If you choose the right sector, the right product, and the right execution, it could be a turning point for your business in the coming years. All above the list is part of some business in the sector. So if you would like to learn more about this business, please visit our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. If you like this video, please like and comment. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, friends. See you in the next video.